Hello and welcome to another video on removing distractions from your images. Today's is just a simple shot I took in the snow, obviously, and I'm going to be showing you the clone stamp tool, which is another one of the tools that I use quite a lot if I'm removing bits and pieces from my pictures. Effectively, it just clones the one area of the picture and stamps it into another. So you've got your tools here on the left hand side, and it's this one here. So there's a pattern stamp which I've not used, but the clone stamp is there. And that gives you a brush. And what happens is if you press the Option key and then click on your mat, it will then effectively clone that area and you can place that somewhere else. So just have a quick look at the settings. I've got my mode set to normal, my opacity on 100, my flow is quite high on 95. Often I have it actually a bit less than that so that you can sort of paint it in with two or three stamps, which just makes it look a little bit more natural sometimes. And so if we're going to remove these posts from around this tree, so I'll get my brush down, press the Option, choose, for example, there, and then you see the cross next to it, so it's sampling that point and painting over. Quite magical, really. So let's do it again here. Press the Option. I'll click on that to sample that point. I'll just reduce my brush size by using the left square bracket. And just paint that away. And then I'll do the same with these. Oops, Control, messed that up. Command Z is a very useful button to have if you mess it up. So Command Z just reverses the change. Sample there. Sample there. And you see how I've zoomed quite a long way in so that it makes it just a little bit more neat and tidy. And then if I want to get rid of this barbed wire, I'll probably sample from underneath and just run it across. Sample from underneath. And then if there's bits that you've just messed up, you can tidy that up. So what I recommend is just doing it in small stages, sampling, moving again until you've got the effect you want. And there we go. So that's removed pretty quickly. So yeah, it's a useful tool. It's a clone stamp. On the left hand side, I have it mode 100, opacity 100. So mode normal, opacity 100, flow 71%. Anywhere above 60 to 70 usually works quite nicely. Zoom in, take it slowly, and hey presto. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. More to follow, and that was a short video on using clone stamp tool. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, and any comments gratefully received. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.